Hi everyone, it's Krishan here with another Canva tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a trick that I always teach in the beginning of all my trainings. And this trick is how to improve the contrast between your image and your text. So as you can see, I have a design here where the background is light in color and also the text is white. So both the text and the background are light in color. And if you notice, the contrast between these two aren't that great, and you can actually solve this easily by changing the color of the text to black. But sometimes you might not want the text to be black, you might want to keep the text white. In cases where you want to keep the text white and still have a good contrast between the text and the background, here is where this trick comes in. So I'm going to go to elements now, and I'm going to get a rectangle. So I'm going to type in rectangle in the search bar. I'm going to click on rectangle and I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, this square is between the text and background. In some cases you might find that the square is on top of everything. If this is the case, then what you need to do is right click on the square and click send backwards. Alright, now we have placed the box behind the text but in front of the background. And now I would like you to change the color of the square to black. So we need to go here, click on the plus sign and bring it all the way here to change it to black. Now you would need to cover the entire background image with this square, and as you can see, we only can see the text and the image is covered. So what I would like you to do is click on the square and go to the icon on the right, which looks like a chessboard and which says transparency. So please click on this, and if you can see the value here is 100. I would like you to drag this circle all the way to the left, and as you can see, the background is slowly becoming visible and the box is becoming transparent. So drag it all the way to maybe around 20, and as you can see, the text is more visible and there's better contrast between the text and the background. Now let us test it out. If I remove it, let us see the difference. I'm going to remove the black box, and as you can see, the contrast is not as great as when I put it back. So that's it for this tutorial. This is one of the interesting tricks and useful tricks in your design whenever you want to improve the contrast between your background and your text, or even background and any other elements. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this was valuable to you. Thank you.